So we shall read about preposition. What is a preposition? Preposition is a preposition. It consists of two words actually. Pre means before, means what you are putting before a word that is suitable to hear, that is suitable according to the grammar. So you have to think, means it is preposition. It consists of two words. Pre means before. So we will deal with some conditions. That is, first one is preposition before particular words. What we will put? If condition is time and date, means at midnight, at night, so we have to put at, on, by, before. For example, here you see, means if you are telling come at midnight, come at night, so that is we are putting at. If by, come by 6 o'clock, we say, means if we are using date and time, then always use at, on, by or before. Come by 6 o'clock, come at midnight to the house, come at night. So these are the examples. Then your by and before. You had better be at the station by 6 p.m. Means you have to reach the station by 6 p.m. You can't reach after 6 p.m. means after 6 p.m. So within 6 p.m. your train is there, so it will be by. Or before. Before also you can use you had better be at the station before 6 p.m. because your train is scheduled to go at 6 p.m. only. So you can't come after 6 p.m. so it will be by and before. So third condition is on time, in time and good time. See, there is much difference, you have to understand. The 8:15 train started on time. Means on time means the time that is arranged, means that is scheduled to go. It started on that time, not before, not after. On time, it was scheduled, particular time it was going to start and it started on time. On time, this was on time. And then passengers should be in time for their train. In time means they should come before, not after, because the train is going to start in 8:15. If you come after that, your train you will miss. So passengers should be in time means you have to come before that. So in time means not late. Then I arrived at the theater in good time. In good time means comfort, means there is a comfortable margin, means your movie is going to start at 8:15 p.m. and you came at 7:30. So there is a comfortable, means you are in a good time, means you have proper time to refresh again and sit and so I arrived at the theater in good time, means you have a comfortable margin of the time that is scheduled for the starting of the program. So our fourth condition is at the beginning, in the beginning, at first. So at the beginning we have to use at the beginning of a book, often there is a foreword. Means in a book, when you take a novel or something, you have a foreword, a prologue, there is a forward page. So always in a book you will have at the beginning only, there is means you don't find in a novel forward is written in the last. So at the beginning only it is written, there is a forward. Some book don't have forward often, so it is written here, but never you will find forward at the end of a novel. So at the beginning means if a novel is having a forward, at the beginning only, not at the end. But in the beginning, when we use in the beginning we used hand tools. Later we had machines. Means after some time we changed that. Means in the beginning we used to have tools, but later on we used machines. So that means that is the difference between at and in. Means in means after some time means our procedure got changed, but at means at the beginning of a book often there is a forward. Means forward is always found in the initial pages of a book only. If you like our videos, do press the like button. Do subscribe our channel in YouTube and don't forget to press the subscribe button. And to get regular study materials, do visit our website edsuper.com.